You believe that the ground beneath your feet is still, but from the very first second of its existence, the Earth has never stopped moving. 4.6 billion years ago, the Earth was born in chaos. Meteorite impacts, molten oceans, the violence of gravity. Stability was never its beginning. At this moment, you are rotating at a speed of 16 to 70 kilometers per hour. You don't feel it because the Earth's rotation has become a part of your existence. The Earth is not just spinning, it is also racing. It orbits the sun at a speed of 30 kilometers per second. A year is merely a label for this journey. The ground feels solid. However, beneath the crust, magma flows and plates collide. Mountains rise, continents drift. Earthquakes are not anomalies. Volcanoes are not angry. They are the Earth's way of releasing energy, like breathing. The moon pulls on the oceans, tugging at the Earth's crust. Tides rise and fall, ensuring that the Earth never rests. Even water responds to gravity. The sun drives the wind, clouds, ocean currents, and climate. Without it, the Earth would be frozen. With it, the Earth is always changing. Life has not made the Earth peaceful. It has changed the atmosphere, eroded the rocks, and reshaped the surface. Even breathing is rewriting this planet. The Earth never stands still. Because if it were to stand still, the oceans would die, the air would collapse, and life would come to an end. Movement is proof that the Earth is alive. So when you think you are standing still, remember, you are riding on a planet that never stops. At Earth's deepest core, there is no stillness. Molten iron and nickel hotter than the sun's surface. This burning heart drives plate motion, sustains the magnetic field, and keeps the planet alive. You cannot see Earth's magnetic field, but it protects life from deadly solar storms. It flows, flips, weakens, regenerates, never truly stable. Africa is tearing apart. The Americas are drifting from Europe. Your lifetime is too short to notice, but on Earth's time, it can create oceans. The Himalayas are still rising, but erosion never stops. To Earth, even the highest mountains are temporary wrinkles. The oceans are never still. Ocean currents move heat, shape climate, redistribute life. Every wave is an extension of planetary motion. Wind is not random. It is born from heat, rotation, and sunlight. Even the calmest sky is in constant motion. Ice ages have come and will come again. Warming is not the exception, but part of the cycle. Earth does not seek balance. It continuously adjusts. Space never stops throwing debris at Earth. Every impact is a cosmic intervention. Earth did not choose motion. Time imposes change. Stillness violates the nature of the universe. Without rotation, day and night would tear the world apart. Without plate tectonics, life would stagnate. Stillness is not peace, it is extinction. Your heartbeat, breath, and footsteps are extensions of Earth's motion. You are not standing on Earth, you are moving with it. You do not feel gravity, yet it never releases you. It holds oceans, anchors air, and ensures Earth can never be still. Earth's orbit is not perfect. It is tugged by Jupiter, disturbed by other planets. Over time, no orbit is truly stable. Without a 23.5-degree tilt, there would be no seasons, a small angle that keeps the world in motion. Earth's rotational axis is not straight. It wobbles like a spinning top. Even direction is not permanent. For you, change requires catastrophe. For Earth, it only requires time. Earth is slowly cooling. One day its core will fade. Motion is not eternal. It simply has not ended yet. Every second Earth loses a trace of its atmosphere. Space is slowly stealing the sky. Stability is a temporary illusion. Earth's true nature is change. If you could see millions of years, Earth would flow like liquid. Mountains sink, seas rise. In the universe, true stillness does not exist. Only motion at different speeds. Earth has no intention. It simply follows physical laws, and those laws never allow stillness. When the world feels calm, it's because your timescale is too short. Given enough time, everything moves. It isn't only Earth that moves, galaxies rotate, clusters drift apart. The universe itself is expanding. In such a cosmos, stillness is never an option. The entire solar system moves at hundreds of kilometers per second, around the Milky Way's core. Your lifetime is a brief moment in this voyage. Dark matter shapes galaxies. Dark energy stretches space. You cannot see them, yet they carry you forward. The vacuum is not truly empty. Quantum fluctuations flicker endlessly. At the smallest scales, even nothingness is restless. Time has a direction. That direction is increasing entropy. Everything moves toward change. There is no reverse. Without change, there is no time. If Earth truly stopped, time itself would lose meaning. To the universe, life is a brief chemical disturbance. Yet this disturbance allows us to contemplate motion itself. If everything were stable, consciousness would not exist. Thought itself emerges from motion. Earth does not need to be understood. It moved before you arrived and will continue after you are gone. You are not the center of this motion. You are a temporary passenger, and because of that, the journey matters. Because stillness violates the rules of the universe. Because motion allows existence, Earth has no choice. Neither do you. Earth is not forever young. Its heat is leaking away, its motions are slowing. But this aging takes billions of years. Plates will stop. Volcanoes will fall silent, magnetic fields will weaken. Not due to catastrophe, but because energy always runs out. Future Earth may have longer days, colder nights. The rhythms you know will not be preserved. The moon is slowly drifting away. Each tide steals rotational energy. Every Earth day is growing longer. Once, a day lasted only hours. In the future, it may span dozens. Time units are temporary conventions. If you lived millions of years, you'd see oceans relocate. If you lived hundreds of millions, you'd watch continents vanish. Earth does not evolve for an audience. Its motion requires no witness. Cities will fade. Roads will be swallowed. On Earth's scale, civilization is a surface ripple. Earth has neared stillness before, frozen worlds, oxygen-poor skies, silent aftermaths, yet motion always returned. This is not miracle, not luck, but physics allowing continuation. Earth is not a finished product. It has no final form. It is always in transit. The Earth you see is a single frame. In the full film of time, it never stops. Stillness is a word humans invented. In nature, it does not exist. Energy flows from high to low. Earth simply follows that path. One day, Earth will grow quiet, but that day will not belong to life. Until then, Earth spins, flows, transforms, and you are within it. You are not watching from outside. You are part of the motion. Even if you fully understand Earth, it will not slow for you. Why is Earth never still? Because stopping means ending. When the world feels quiet, remember, you simply haven't stood long enough. As the camera pulls away from cities, from continents, from clouds, Earth keeps spinning, unaware of you. Empires rise and fall. Wars and peace come and go. On Earth's scale, they carry almost no weight. Rocks remember fire. Ice remembers cold. Seafloor sediments remember everything that ever happened. Earth does not need saving. It will continue moving, just not necessarily with a place for you. Humans are not Earth's purpose. We simply happen to fit its current state. Earth's changes never ask if you're ready. They simply continue. Uncertainty comes from movement. The anxiety you feel is an echo of planetary motion. Stillness feels comforting because it exists only in imagination. Reality is always moving. Your life happens to sit at a node, not a beginning, not an end. Motion is not cruel, it is simply indifferent. It targets no one. If the world truly stopped, you would lose direction, time, and meaning. Because all of them come from change. You cannot command Earth. You can only choose how to move with it. Earth is never still, and you happen to live in the brief moment when it still allows life.